I know. I'm working on it.
Alright, here's a Season 3 and 4 bumper for a customer. That's out of the mold. Here's a rear bumper and a headliner. This one has already been trimmed off and it's ready to ship out of mold. The guy didn't want seat belts, so I left it covered for him. So all he has to do is cover that with fabric. And there's the rear bumper for a customer. And I'll put who's in the video so you know who this is going to. I'll put the customer's names right above everything. So here's the headliner. There's the rear bumper out of mold. I have it bake in the sun for a little bit. As soon as there is sun, because there's a huge cloud over there. It's about to go away though. And this thing will get baked off. Helps me find any air pockets in it if you bake it off in the sun.